G'day, Nick here, Animal Engineering. Welcome back to the channel. This episode I'm going through my donor car here. So this is 2011 SS Commodore. It's just got an HSV body kit on it. Other than that, it's pretty much bog standard, 90,000 Ks. So I bought this from Pickles Auctions as a storm affected, hail damaged vehicle out of New South Wales, so other side of the country. It's my understanding in New South Wales, anything storm related is just an instant statutory write-off. Just across the board, bang. I don't understand it. To me, it doesn't make any sense whatsoever, but I got it ridiculously cheap because of the catastrophic damage. I don't know how else to say it, it's ridiculous. But I'll go through now and I'll show you the damage. So this is enough to completely write a VIN number off in Australia, in New South Wales that is. So yeah, this VIN number can never ever be registered in Australia ever again. I can send it to New Zealand or other countries and they do an inspection over there and it can get licensed and driven around on the road, but in Australia, no go. So I'll go through now. I've been through and put some tape on all the dents so it's easier to find. You do have to really look to find some of them. So you can see one on the bonnet here. Get the light to bounce off it. So you see that one just there. There's another one there. You just see that one. Another little one there. Coming up on the roof, there's a couple on the roof. There's one here. Just see that one. A couple on the boot. See that one there? Another one here somewhere. There's that one. There you go, you can just see that one. Coming around the roof. This is probably the biggest patch. There's one here. You can see that one. Coming around, another one there. And then there's a few just here. So yeah, that is the extent of the damage to the car. I've been putting off stripping this car for so long because it's such... Well, the interior is immaculate on it, everything's pristine. Well, if this car had the same damage in Western Australia where I live, where getting engineering for the van is absolutely harder than it should be. If this was in Western Australia, you wouldn't even make an insurance claim. Like, to get those little dents fixed would be less than what the excess of your insurance would actually be. So, and then New South Wales statutory write-off can never be driven again. It's mind-blowing to be honest. But I bought it as a donor car, so it is giving its life up for my van. So for that, we thank it. So I'll be utilising everything out of that: engine, gearbox, drive shaft, suspension, brakes, a few other bits and pieces maybe, and that's all going into the van. So as much of a shame as it is, and it's a victim of the state that it was in at the time, that's it. Its life is coming to an end. Yeah, it's sad, but sort of do a little video there. Some of you guys are probably spinning it right out, just like I am, that this car can never be on the road again. Like you see cars over there that are in crashes that are repairable write-offs, and they get fixed up and like they whole arse end of them smashed in, side smashed in, and they're fine to be repaired. But anything storm related is just a bang. No, get out of here. So yeah, 6 litre V8 going in the van. It's toast. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.